Can a complete RC circuit natural response graph really be generated with just a few lines of MATLAB code? In this video, we're going to find out. If you're learning MATLAB or circuit analysis, this example will help you understand both concepts in a simple and practical way. Before we start coding, let's understand the problem. We are given the natural response equation of an RC circuit, and our goal is to plot its graph in MATLAB. But first, here's a quick question for you. Do you think the graph will increase or decrease over time? Drop your answer in the comments before watching further. Our first step is defining the time vector. This tells MATLAB over what interval the graph should be plotted. It may look like a simple line of code, but it's actually the foundation of the entire simulation. Next, we assign values to the amplitude, resistance, and capacitance. These parameters directly affect the behavior of the circuit and the shape of the graph. Here's another challenge for you. What do you think will happen if the resistance value is doubled? Will the response decay faster or slower? Let us know your prediction in the comments. Now comes the most important part, implementing the mathematical equation in MATLAB. With a single line of code, we convert the theoretical formula into a working computational model. So far, everything seems straightforward. But will the result match our expectations? Let's see. Next, we use the plot command to visualize the response. This is where numerical calculations turn into a meaningful graph, making the circuit behavior much easier to understand. Of course, a professional graph needs more than just a plot. That's why we add a title, axis labels, and a grid. These small additions greatly improve readability and presentation quality, especially for assignments and reports. And now for the exciting part. Let's hit the Run button. As you can see, the graph starts at its maximum value and gradually decreases over time. This is exactly what we expect from the natural response of an RC circuit. Now it's your turn again. If the capacitance value is increased from 0.005 to 0.01, how do you think the graph will change? Share your thoughts in the comments.